नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। My name is Kaushik Chakravarti from Faculty of Education Methodology. We are going to discuss about the subject of biomedical signal processing from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Om University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now, today's topic is electroencephalograms. This is called EEG. Here we are discuss about the types of biomedical signals, and there are different types of biomedical signals. We are discussed already in the previous lectures, and the day before yesterday we have already discussed about the lecture. Some types are there. ECG is also one type of famous popular type. In previous class we have discussed about the ECG. Now the today's topics discussion point is electroencephalogram. This is called EEG. Before we discuss about the EEG, electroencephalogram, there are some basic point about the previous lecture. Here, the basic point is, I hope you are all understand of the lecture of previous, and the previous point lecture's basic point is what do you mean by ECG and what's ECG is did for the diagnostic treatment of disease. Hope all of you know about the diagnostic disease treatment about the ECG and what is ECG. Electroencephalogram is a test that detects electrical activity in your brain using small metal discs. Here again we are use of electrodes which is attached in our skull. In yesterday's topic we are discussed about the ECG. In the ECG we are used electrode to measure the signals of heart, which electrodes are placed in our chest. But here the topic is electroencephalograms. Here we want to detect the electrical activities of brain, and detection done by electrodes which is placed in our skull. Our brain cells communicate via electrical impulse which are generated by electrodes and are activated all the time. Even when we are asleep, the signals are generated continuously when you are asleep also, and if the electrodes can detect the signals, can communicate the signal, can process the signals. This activity shows up a wave line on the EEG recording machines. An electroencephalogram is a test used to evaluate the electrical activity in the brain. Brain cells communicate with each others through electrical impulse. An EEG can be used to help detect potential problems associated with this activity. An EEG tracks the record of the brain wave patterns. Small flat metal discs called electrodes are attached with the scalp with wire, and these electrodes are connected with the EEG machines to record and track the signals of brain, which is electrical signals with the brain activity signal. The electrodes analyze the electrical impulses in the brain and send to the signal to a computer that records the results. The electrical impulse in an EEG is recording look like wave line that peaks and valleys. This line allow doctors to quickly access whether there are some abnormal patterns or not. Any irregularities may be signs of the other brain's disorder. In this way, electroencephalograms are treated and the machines are detected any others activity in our brain through the electrodes and is recorded and saved by electroencephalogram machines. Here we are discuss about the EEG machines and EEG techniques. Details we are also share our PDF and other notes, e-notes and recommended notes also. You can also visit the library recommendation for further purpose. Thank you. Namaste. Stay happy.